Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to connect your phone wirelessly to your Toshiba Smart TV in just a few easy steps. No cables, just smooth screen sharing. Step 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. First, make sure both your phone and your Toshiba TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's very important. If they're not on the same network, it won't work. Step 2. Enable screen mirroring on TV. Now on your Toshiba Smart TV remote, press the Input or Source button. From the list, choose Screen Mirroring or Wireless Display, depending on your model. Step 3. Use your phone's Screencast option. Next, open your phone. On Android, swipe down from the top and look for Cast, Smart View, or Screen Mirroring. Tap on it, and your phone will start searching for available devices. Once your Toshiba TV appears on the list, just tap on it. You might see a confirmation on your TV accepted, and boom! Your phone screen is now on your TV.